How to buy Koro Go token. So this token came under the symbol of Koro. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, you will be able to find contracts here. Now, click here to copy the token address, and now as you can see, this contract is under the Ethereum network. Now, open your BITGET wallet for that, as you can see. Now, after that, go to your wallet, and now in the top right corner, make sure to select the Ethereum network. Now, click on this plus icon, and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. And as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on this plus icon, but before that, make sure to click on risk here to read all of that here before going to buy this token. Now, make sure to read all of that, the warning, the risk, and all of that. And if you are sure, you can add it to your wallet and you can buy it from there. Now, after you read this and you are ready to go, now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back, as you can see. After that, make sure to search for your token that you just added called Koro Go. Now, after you find it, now click on it. Now click on swap. And now what you need to do is switch it from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, EZT. And now you can type how much you want to buy like that. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Koro token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.